So then it started to lay out that fundraising arc. And again, think of it as an arc. It's a plan. It laid it out. January and February is going to all be about stewardship and storytelling. You're going to thank donors, share impact from the Christmas program that you just ran, collect family stories ethically, of course. March and April start becomes an awareness month, right? Awareness, light cultivation. This is not to get you too heavy into something. You're one person and you've got 100 other duties to fulfill. Start to introduce the mission to new community supporters, small outreach, May and June, community relationship building. I like some of the ideas with partnerships, maybe schools, churches, civic groups. Again, you don't have to take on them all. Maybe you start with, a couple of schools that you reach out to and see if they'd be willing to provide some kind of support, or even just volunteerism, right? Kids coming in, just like we have at the animal shelter. A lot of the schools participate and they'll send certain students who qualify down they'll bring donations, but they'll also get to work and help out for the day. July, quiet planning period.